Hey, how's it going, everyone? Justin again, as always. Thanks for watching my channel. Welcome back. Today I wanted to briefly discuss this exhaust expander kit that I picked up from Vito Mile. I got this about a year back. Has it been about a year? I think it's been about a year. I've used it like a total of 2 times for stubborn exhausts. I think it might have been this one that I used. But at any rate, it's held up so far, but how much really can I put it through when I've only used it twice? I didn't want to use an impact on it. I did it by hand. I could have used an impact gun on it, I suppose, but I wasn't sure of the quality. I'm still a little bit unsure of the quality, like over time. It's just a nice tool to have should you ever run into a situation where you remove a downpipe from an exhaust system and you can't get the pipe to go back into it. Perfect example would be like a Chrysler Town & Country on a 3.8 liter. So I had an issue. I used this kit on that, and it worked out well. It expanded it just enough to where I was able to open it up, and presto changeo, I was done. And for $32.99, how could I go wrong? There was one other time, I think I went to, what was it, on a Jeep? I had a Jeep Cherokee or something like that I had an issue with, where part of the exhaust had bent, and all I did was stuff it in there just enough to where I could expand the bend right back out to where it was an actual cone again. Other than that, it's been sitting at the house now for the last 4 or 5 months. Haven't really ran into any situations where I needed it at the independent shop. That's not saying that I won't run into that situation down the road. And if I do, I live really close to work, so I can just come home during my lunch break and pick it up and take it back and get her done. So not a big deal. If I had my bigger toolbox at work, then this would definitely be in it, and it would definitely be one of those good specialty tools to have in your arsenal. But I wanted to share this with you guys because I know that some of you might not know about this tool, or that it's out there, or that it costs as little as $32.99. I know that the ones from Blue Point, I think they sell you one that's kind of like a universal. It's like an in-between that stretches out to like 3 to 4 inches or something like that. But I really like this set. So the sizes that you get with this 3-piece set, I believe this one is 0 to like 1.5. Is that right? I think that's 0 to 1.5. Let me pull up the specs here while you guys are taking a look at the kit. I believe they had the specs on here from the last time. That doesn't say. Oh, here we go. Here we go. No, they just 1 1/8 up to 3.5 inches. So 1 1/8 up to 3.5. So pick your poison. You know, stuff it in the pipe, see if it fits. You want a little bit of space in between it, and then of course as you go to tighten it, the sheets or slots of metal in here expand, and the rubber band is what holds it all together, and then you can widen that pipe back out. So like I said, not a bad kit, especially for 32 bucks. So just wanted to real quickly share that with you guys in case you were looking for an exhaust expanding set for relatively inexpensive, for how often you're actually going to use it. I would go cheap on this. That's all I'm saying. There's no need to spend, you know, $100 on an exhaust expander. You're going to run into situations from time to time that you need it, but it's not going to be a tool that you're going to utilize so often that you need an expensive version. So that's all I got for this video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. The link to the product that I purchased, which is right here in front of us, will be down in the description. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.